Hey everybody, hope you're having a good one. If you're looking for a cheap and easy way to get your GoPro connected remotely, I picked up this old GoPro remote, refurbished for less than 20 bucks. I'm going to show you how to connect it. You just saw a little quick tutorial on how you can get your old GoPro remote connected to your GoPro Hero 7 Black. What I'm hoping to use this for is to improve my workflow on getting remote audio that can be synced to my videos a little bit easier, so I'm not having to reach for the camera every single time I want to start it and reaching for my recording. So hopefully that's something that helps you out. If you enjoyed it, like, share, subscribe, and I'll bring you more stuff.